Thinking about buying a Mazda CX-5. What if I told you that after a full year of owning one, there are some surprising truths about daily life with this popular SUV that no one talks about? Stick around as I reveal the unexpected insights and aha moments from 365 days behind the wheel that might just change your mind. What made me choose the CX-5 over its crowded list of competitors like the Honda CR-V or Toyota RAV4? Honestly, it was the design. The CX-5 doesn't scream for attention, but it has this clean, upscale look that feels a step above the usual crossovers. When I first stepped inside, I immediately noticed the premium interior. Soft touch materials, a clean dashboard, and seats that felt supportive without being too firm. It gave me the vibe of something more expensive. On the road, that first test drive felt different. The steering was sharper, the handling tighter. It didn't drive like a typical SUV. I thought I was just buying a practical family car. But what I got in those first few weeks was something that actually made driving to work feel fun. Fast forward to daily life, the CX-5 has been surprisingly easy to live with. In city traffic, the steering feels light enough for quick maneuvers, and the compact size makes parallel parking a breeze compared to bulkier SUVs. When it comes to space, it's not the roomiest in the class, but it's been more than enough for my needs. Weekly grocery hauls? No problem. Weekend road trips with bags and camping gear? It handled it just fine. If you're looking for maximum cargo space, there are bigger options out there, but the CX-5 strikes a nice balance between comfort and practicality. Now about the wallet impact. After a year, fuel economy has hovered around what Mazda promised. It's not hybrid-level savings, but it hasn't been a budget breaker either. For the mix of city and highway driving I do, it's been pretty efficient. Here's the part where many SUVs start showing their true colors. In my case, the CX-5 has been mostly smooth sailing. Routine maintenance has been straightforward and reasonably priced. Nothing major has gone wrong, which is always reassuring after 12 months of ownership. The interior has held up well. No peeling, no weird rattles, no fading materials. The seats still feel supportive on long drives. The exterior paint still looks sharp too, although keeping it clean is a constant battle if you go with darker colors. So after 365 days, would I make the same purchase again? Honestly, yes, but with a few caveats. The CX-5 isn't the biggest, nor is it the most tech-packed SUV out there. If you want maximum space or hybrid-level fuel efficiency, there are better options. But if you value driving enjoyment, a premium-feeling interior, and a balance between practicality and style, the CX-5 is hard to beat. For me, it still feels fresh and satisfying a year later. I'd recommend it for small families, couples, or even solo drivers who want something that feels more engaging than the average SUV. Would I buy it again? Absolutely. The CX-5 has earned its spot in my driveway.